Bitcoin holds above $61,000, Ether stays below $3,400. Bitcoin ETFs shed $1.3 billion over 2 weeks amid market slump. THDC India Limited ventures into the Metaverse with digital twin technology. Major music companies sue Suno and Udio for AI copyright. Metalcore closed Beta 3 introduces NFTs and Web3 integration. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets were trading mixed after the trustee for the defunct Mt. Gox crypto exchange said it will begin returning more than 140,000 BTC in July to clients whose assets were stolen in a 2014 hack. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, traded near $61,000 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
Well, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1% at 78,600 points. While investors are selling their tokens are contemplating the effect of more than 140,000 Bitcoin hitting the market in less than 1 month. Putting that number in perspective, it would be just less than the immediate liquidation of Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETF, which at last check held 167,375 Bitcoin. In addition to this sell-side pressure, Bitcoin miners have been offloading the asset. Miners sold over 30,000 BTC worth around $2 billion in June, the highest amount this year, dropping reserves to a 14-year low. According to data from Farside Investors, the last 2 trading weeks saw a $1.298 billion outflow for Bitcoin ETFs overall, with Grayscale topping outflows at $517.3 million during that time. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has notably been the only fund to report gains, bringing in $43.1 million in inflows during the previous 2 weeks. Interestingly, the current level of Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which represents the overall sentiment towards Bitcoin and the crypto market, is the lowest it has been in the past 18 months. However, on June 25, the index fell by 21 points to below 30, entering the fear zone for the first time since Jan 11, 2023, when Bitcoin was at $17,200 after the FTX crypto exchange's breakdown. In an interesting news, Ethereum gas fees has fallen to their lowest level in over 4 years, with competition for block space remaining low following the network's Tenkan upgrade in March. The average gas fee dropped to $1.34 on June 22, its lowest level since April 18, 2020. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.25 trillion mark, increasing 1.2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 45% to $89 billion. Furthermore, stablecoin issuer Tether is discontinuing support for EOS and Algorand by halting USDT minting on both blockchains starting today. However, USDT redemptions on EOS and Algorand will continue for the next 12 months, during which Tether may reassess and announce further changes. Moreover, Chainlink's latest unlock brought 21 million linked tokens worth $295 million into circulation, pushing the total circulating supply past 600 million for the first time. A significant portion, 18.25 million link tokens worth $265 million, was sent directly to Binance. The substantial transfer has raised concerns among investors about a potential decline in Link's price. Separately, the Tron network experienced a significant surge in USDT trading volume, reaching $53 billion on June 21, surpassing the average daily trading volume of Visa. This surge highlights the growing utility and acceptance of stablecoins in the digital payment ecosystem. US stock futures rose after a sell-off in favored technology names brought the Nasdaq Composite to its worst day since April. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.18%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures traded higher by 0.13% and 0.26% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $61,420, up by 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2.2%, trading at $3,380. While if we talk about Binance's BNB token, it was up by 1% to trade at $572, whereas Solana Sol was up 8% and was trading at $137. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was up by 5.2% to trade at $0.38, whereas Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $25 high by 3.5%. Well, if we talk about Polygon's Matic token, it was trading up by 4.6% to trade at $0.57, and at the same time, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 5% at $0.12. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.5%, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, up by 0.2%, and Polkadot's DOT token was up by 4.3% to trade at $5.8.
Thank you, Vishakha, for in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. Outflows from United States spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds reached $1.3 billion over the last 2 weeks as the price of Bitcoin continues to decline. According to data from Farsight Investors, the total outflows for Bitcoin ETFs notched $1.298 billion over the last 2 trading weeks, with the Grayscale leading outflows at $517.3 million in the same period. Notably, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has been the only fund to post positive results, raking in $43.1 million worth of inflows over the last 2 weeks. THDC India Limited has embarked on a significant digital transformation by partnering with telecommunications consultants India Limited to create a metaverse-based digital twin of its 1,000 megawatt Tehri power plant. This innovative project aims to facilitate virtual exploration, training, and stakeholder engagement, setting a new benchmark in the power sector. The anticipated success of this initiative is projected to generate substantial revenue and enhance THDCIL's brand value, establishing it as a frontrunner in both innovation and sustainability. By leveraging virtual reality technology, THDCIL plans to offer an immersive platform where stakeholders can explore the intricacies of the Tehri power plant without physical presence. This approach not only reduces logistical challenges but also provides a comprehensive understanding of the plant's operations and infrastructure. 3 major music companies, including Sony Music, Warner Music Group, and Universal Music Group, have filed lawsuits against AI music firms Suno and Udio for alleged copyright infringement. The Recording Industry Association of America filed cases claiming that Suno and Udio used copyrighted music recordings without permission to train their AI models to create new music. Suno and Udio have been sued in 2 courts in Massachusetts and New York for unlawful use of music recordings for the last 4 decades for creating artificial intelligence systems to produce music that imitates other records. The complainant claims that such actions are not only against the provisions of copyright laws but also pose the potentiality of flooding the market with directly related products such as sales of AI-generated content in the place of original records. RIAA representatives emphasized that the AI models developed by Suno and Udio were trained using copyrighted material without obtaining proper licenses. Studio 369 has announced the launch of the 3rd closed beta for its massively multiplayer online game Metalcore, set to begin on June 27th. This beta phase will introduce several updates, including integrating non-fungible tokens and Web3 technology into the gameplay. Introducing NFTs will allow players to own distinctive in-game items that can be traded, establishing a player-driven economy. This latest beta phase also introduced shards and off-chain currency that enables users to purchase digital collectibles and fiat currencies. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum gas fees have fallen to their lowest level in over 4 years, with competition for block space remaining low following the network's 10km trade in March. The average gas fee dropped to $1.3 on June 22nd, its lowest level since April 18, 2020. As a result of the base transactions fees drying up, Ethereum supply has been inflationary since early April. Over the course of 30 days, Ethereum supply increased by over 44,000 Ethereum, representing an annual growth rate of 0.45%. Nearly 109,000 Ethereum have entered circulation since tagging a post-merge low of 120 million on April 5th. Next on the list, we have USDT. Tether, a stablecoin issuer, is discontinuing support for EOS and Algorand by halting USDT minting for both blockchains starting today. However, USDT redemptions on EOS and Algorand will continue for the next 12 months, during which Tether may reassess and announce further changes. The company reassures its community that we will carefully handle the transition to minimize disruption and emphasize the importance of delivering a seamless user experience. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Over the past week, Shibarium Scan reported 493% increase in transaction fees within the Shibarium network, primarily due to increased network operations and renewed interest in Shiba Inu tokens. The fees denoted in BON rose from 16.22 BON to 79.18 BON, indicating heightened transactional activity. Transaction volumes also swelled by 278.5% from 5,865 to 16,337 transactions over the same 7-day period. This correlation highlights the growing ties between market movements and transactional expenditures within blockchain environments. The fee distribution mechanism within the Shibarium network involves converting a portion of BON used for transaction fees to Shiba Inu tokens and burning them, reducing the circulating supply of Shiba Inu. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin is offering hope to its holders amidst a bearish outlook on the broader crypto market. The meme coin sector is currently looking for a bearish than others, with a total market cap plummeting 7.5% in the last 24 hours. However, Doge has managed to break the shackles, with a trading volume of DogeCoin increasing 186.5% today, reaching a total of $1.37 billion. This surge is a crucial indicator for DogeCoin's future, as it shows that traders have not given up on the leading meme coin. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink's latest unlock brought 21 million Link tokens worth $295 million into circulation, pushing the total circulating supply past 600 million for the first time. A significant portion, which is 18.25 million Link tokens worth $265 million, was sent directly to Binance. This substantial transfer has raised concerns among investors about a potential decline in Link's price, as it could lead to market oversaturation and prompt some investors to liquidate their positions. Currently, Link has experienced an 8% drop over the past week, with the latest unlock accelerated by an additional 1.4%. Historically, Chainlink's periodic token unlocks have led to varied price movements, with 127 million Link tokens unlocked since August 2022, with 107.7 million set to Binance. However, the current bearish market conditions present a unique challenge.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.